Hello friends, how are you doing today? So let's go and see this amazing beautiful stone painting and rock art video. Wow, beautiful stone painting. Amazing. Wow, so cute. So friend, do you like stone painting, rock painting? Then this video is for you. Today you get amazing ideas about stone paintings and you can do it yourself in your home. Wow, so cute. Wow, so cute. Amazing, beautiful painting on the stone. Oh, wow, cute puppy painting on the stone. Wow, again, beautiful, cute doggy and puppy painting on stone. Enjoy the little things in a life. Amazing, beautiful message through stone painting. So cute, honeybee painting on the stone. Again, beautiful. Wow, amazing tiger face. Amazing, beautiful animals painting on these stones. Wow, look like a very realistic painting on this stone. Wow, what is this? Tell me in comments. Wow, baby elephant. So cute, baby elephant with beautiful colorful balloons. Wow, some children and they are waving. Amazing paint. Oh my god, so cute, little baby giraffe. Cute cats painting on this stone. Wow, what is this? What we calling? What is it? Tell me in comments. Wow, so cute. Turtle. Turtle painting. Wow, so cute. Amazing, beautiful painting. Wow, penguin with art. So cute too. Beautiful ducks painting on stone. Stone painting is a wonderful art. If you like it, then it's amazing art. You can make beautiful pebbles art, stone paintings, rock paintings in your home, and you can use this kind of painting, pebble paintings in your home as a decoration piece. So cute, baby sheep. बहुत ही प्यारी सी baby sheep है ये. Wow, cute two rabbits. Wow, amazing. Wow, a face sculpture look like a space sculpture. It's a painting. Amazing. Wow, beautiful horse, beautiful colors. Wonderful. So cute too, puppy. So guys, you like puppies, catties. Amazing, beautiful penguin with baby penguin. Amazing penguin painting. Wow, what is this? This is penguin or what? Tell me in comments. So cute. What we call? What is it? Wow, so cute puppies, catties. Cute puppies, doggies. Wow, hippopo. Amazing, realistic painting on the stone. Oh my god. Wow, a woman is hugging like her mother or what? Beautiful doggy. Wow. So guys, do you like rock paintings? Then this video is for you. Please subscribe our channel. Share this video with your friends. Then you get more amazing that kind of content like rock painting, stone painting. It's the amazing art channel. Wow, so cute rabbit on the hand, but it's painting on the stone. Look like a very realistic. Wow, beautiful. You can see a black stone with the beautiful white painting. Again, two penguins with baby cone. Baby penguin. Wow, it's a family. Oh my god, what a like a realistic look of this puppy. But painting on the stone. Wow, baby mother, sparrows sitting on the tree. Beautiful, wow. My god, what a beautiful puppy painting on the stone. I like animals, especially animals, kids, baby animals. Wow, beautiful animals painting. Oh my god, baby giraffe, so cute. Like baby animals, then this video is for you. Wow, again baby puppy. So cute puppy. Wow, two dolphin fish happy and swimming on the river and like sea. Oh wow, seven dogs with a princess. Like it's a beautiful story of kids. Wow, bull painting on the stone. So guys, we like our today's video. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Stay connected with us. See you soon in next video. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.